Hello and welcome to my channel. For those that don't know me, my name's Naomi and I'm the owner of this channel, Willow and Fink. And today I'm going to be trying something new. So last weekend I was out visiting a local craft shop out at Dardanup, and they had some of these IOD transfers. Now I've never used transfers before, so I'm thinking I'm going to give them a go. So while I was out and about today, I went and got a vase. So a glass vase to put these on. So for those that don't know, these are little sticky things that you rub onto your item, whatever it is that you're making. I've never used one before, so we will see how we go. And we will learn how to do it together. So I'll just put the camera down and we can have a look. Okay, so we've got the packet here. Okay, so it comes with a little plastic stick thing to rub them on, so we'll give it a go. Okay, so apparently you get them and you cut them out and you rub them on and you go from there. So oh, they look nice. So this is what they look like. Okay, so they come on a plastic sheet thing, which I think you cut off. Okay, they look pretty cool. I'm wondering which one I should put on this pot. I do quite like that one, but maybe this one. I might try this one. Yeah, we'll give this one a go, I think. Yeah. Okay, so I'll just move it out of the way. I've got some scissors. So it says on here, the instructions say, okay, this up. There we go. So the instructions say, carefully select and cut out your transfer pieces, being careful to keep the protective backing material with the transfer. Hovering over the surface, position the transfer piece where you want to apply it. Place the transfer in place and use tape to secure the corners. Use the provided tool, so that's this thing here. Start in one corner of the design and begin rubbing with firm, even pressure to adhere the transfer to the surface. Continue across the design until it is all adhered. If a small amount has not transferred when you peel the sheet up, simply lay the sheet back down and apply before rubbing to that area. Right, what could go wrong? Okay, remove the sheet and smooth down any loose areas with your clean, dry hand. Right. Burnish firmly with a clean, soft cloth to ensure maximum adhesion. You can leave as is or gently distress with fine sandpaper. Protect the transfer with a surface-appropriate sealer that does not contain strong solvents. Right. Okay. Clear as mud. Sounds easy, but we'll see how we go. Can't read. Tips: take extra care to keep the transfer with a protective backing until you're ready to apply. Yeah, okay, all right. But I mean, if you guys are anything like me, instructions there. Who knows? All right, let's go. All right, so we've picked our picture. Okay, so I think I will go. Actually, I do like the duck one too. I think I'm just going to here. We'll put the thing back down. We'll have a look. We'll try and choose together. Here we go. So this is my glass vase. Oops, I'm on a bit of a new stand and it's a little bit wobbly and I'm not impressed. Okay, so hopefully that works. Okay, so I've got this glass vase. And now I'm going to need to pick a picture. Okay, so they come, so I'll show them to you. So I've got them here. Okay. You have a look. There's that one. There's that one. Then there's some white ones. And then I think there's some blue ones. But yeah, so these are white. So these would go on a black. I don't think you're going to be able to see it, but they would go on a black or a dark coloured item. So this is blue. Then we have the two black ones. I think, I don't know if you can, do you rip these out of the book? Let me have a look. Can you? Oh, you can. Oh, look at that. We've learnt something. Okay, so we'll rip that out of the book. Put that to the side. Right. Yeah. Okay, I think that works. Get some scissors. Move that little thing out the way. Right. I mean, like, guys, what could go wrong? Don't ask. Okay, so I'll cut this out here. So I'll be very careful to cut in between. Okay, right. Okay, so I've cut it out. Right. Okay, right. So I've got this. So it'll go on something like that, I'm guessing. Yep, I think I like that. Right, okay. So now the instructions say, read the instructions. Okay, carefully select picture hovering surface, position the transfer where you want to apply it. Okay. Carefully select and cut out the protective backing material. Put the transfer in place and use tape to secure the corners. Oh God. Alright, okay. I don't have any tape. Right, okay, so we will go, is it sticky? Oh, it is a little bit. Something like, you reckon, does that work? Yeah? Okay, alright. Then it says, hovering, okay, I think that'll do. And we've got this little stick thing. Put the transfer in place and use tape to secure the corners. Do I really need tape? Is that even straight? I think so. Using the provided tool, start in one corner of the design and begin rubbing with firm, even pressure to adhere the transfer to the surface. Continue across all the design. Okay, so I'm guessing we just do this. I'm thinking I'm doing it right. Is it meant to change colour? I don't know. Oh, it looks like it's working. Oh my gosh. I think it goes a grey colour if I am pressing on it properly, I think. Okay. So we rub and we rub and we rub. Okay, we'll see how we go, yeah? Can you guys see that? We'll have a look. Oh no, a little bit didn't come off. Okay, so a little bit here didn't come off. So we'll just rub that down a little bit more. I think that's what they mean when if it doesn't come off. Lay it back down. Okay, so, oh no, that one didn't come off either. Okay. So I think I've got it. Okay, we'll just rub. Rub, 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 rub. Let me have a look. Oh no, that one lifted, so I haven't done it there properly. Okay. So it seems to be quite an easy thing to do. You just have to make sure that you are pressing properly and hard enough. Oh, so far so good by the looks. I hope it's straight. Imagine if it's not straight. Oh dear me. Oh, that looks really good. Okay, so it says using the tool provided, then remove the sheet and smooth down any loose areas with your clean dry hand. I think my hand is clean and dry. So what, over the top of it? Burnish firmly with a clean soft cloth to ensure maximum. Remove the sheet and smooth down. Oh, okay, alright, here we go. I think we meant to move the sheet. Okay, I think that's it. Then it says, remove the sheet and smooth down. Burnish firmly with a clean soft cloth to ensure maximum adhesion. Oh, okay, I didn't bring any cloths out with me. I've got this. I've got one of my aprons, my clean aprons. So it says burnish. So that obviously means rubbing it. Is that what that means? Yeah. Rub it. Okay, so it says rub it. Remove the sheet. Okay, burnish with a clean soft cloth to ensure maximum adhesion. Then it says you can leave as is or gently distress with fine sandpaper. Protect the transfer with a surface appropriate sealer that does not contain strong solvents. Oh, okay. Yeah, I'm happy with that. I don't know what I'm going to seal it with. I probably wouldn't need to. I wouldn't think. If it's yeah. Okay. Oh, what do you reckon, guys? Well, you can't really see, can you? Hang on. If I put this down and see how we go. Hang on. So there we go. You can see. There we go. I'm pretty happy with that. So, guys, how do you reckon I went? I think I did okay. I mean, for a first try, I think it's really good. Would I use these transfers again? Yeah, I definitely would. I know that there are so many different brands out there that they probably all, I suppose, work the same. But for this one, yeah, I'm happy with that. And I'm sure you're going to see a lot more artworks and a lot more pieces with those transfers in it. Okay, guys, till next time, take care. Cheers, bye.